Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. My name is Paul. Welcome to Sun Digitals. Today I want to show you how you can use Movavi new features to make intro videos so that you can make your videos more fun and enjoyable. But before we begin, kindly go to the description section and download Movavi Video Editor. There's a link there. So you can also share this video with your friends. Now let's begin. Woo. Now the first thing I'm going to do is very simple. I'll just come to T here and then I'll come to the intros. Now I'm going to use this intro here called eggplant. I'll just drag it on my timeline here. Then the next thing, let me just play so that you see how it will be. Yeah, that's how it will be, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click this thing here where it's going to edit this intro. So I'll just double click it like 2 times. That will give me ability to edit the text inside here. I'll go to the first text. It's telling me write your name. In this case, I'll write the name of the company, which is Asali Digitals. Then the next thing, I'll just leave it like that. Maybe position it so that I see how it will be at the end. Then I'll come to the next text, double click it so that I can put my slogan. Maybe I can write "We grow together." Yeah. So just put, maybe I don't like the font. I'll just come here and change the font. Look for a more calligraphy font here. Maybe I can use this font here, but now maybe I can make it even, come here, edit it here using my hand. I don't like the color. Maybe I come here and choose maybe something to do with the greenish. At least I don't know that it's greenish or yellow. Maybe I'm colorblind. Now, the next thing after that, I'm going now to play so that you see how it will be. This is how it will be. But we're not through with that. The next thing I'm going to show you, we're going to edit the background. This one here. So I'll come here under, I'll come under filters here, then I'll come to overlays here. I'm going to use light laser. So I'll just drag it on this background here. Now, if you've noticed something has changed, you can see that the lighting has changed. So I want to edit this overlay of light laser. So I just double click this something like a star. Then I can easily change the color. Like the first color is dodge. Maybe I lighten. So let's see how it will play. Maybe I don't like that. Maybe I put linear dodge. I think you see the variation and it has changed a little bit there. So if I play, then I'll leave it at that. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add sound effect or sounds. So I'll come to sounds here. I'll come to, you just come to import. Then there's sounds here. You can even add music. I'm going to use sound. Maybe the story is about the city. Maybe I choose this one, city ambience. Then I just drag it and drop it here. Now if I play, yeah, maybe you can also combine sound effects with audio, with music. Maybe I come here, I choose a better, I look for an audio. Maybe I choose maybe this one here, dance of 2. I combine them here. Let's see how it will sound. Let me play. Yeah, maybe I choose that one here, but I think this one I've used before. Maybe I look for another one. Maybe this one, jumpstart. Maybe let's try this. You just sample the audio and the videos until you find the one that yeah, I think I'll use this. Then I'll just cut it somewhere here. Cut. Then I'll delete the other part. The next thing, since I'm satisfied with what I have, maybe I like the intro. After experimenting a lot, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to file and save as project. Then I'll apply. Then the project will be 1. Then I'll save it as intro. Maybe I save it as intro 13. Maybe I saved 12 before. Then I save it like that. Then after saving it, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to export it and make it into a video export. Then I'm going to choose MP4. I'll make it high quality. Then you choose the browse where you're going to save it. I just make it, save it at June tutorials. Then select the folder. The next thing, I'll just click start and you wait for a few seconds for it to render so that you see the video. Then after that, it will give you a signal that it has rendered. I'll just come okay, look for it. Here it is. Let's play it. Yeah guys, that's our intro. It is that simple. It's just how to make an intro. Make sure you go to the description section. There's a download link there. Download Movavi Video Editor. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also you can also share it with your friends. Watch the next video. Have a nice day.